Okay. Mill Creek Family Farms AKC Champion Line Cockapoos here with Ruby and Rio. This is John Wayne and Rebecca's puppies. I keep referring to it as a 6-week video, but really we have our weeks named funny with these guys. We usually do pictures on their week birthdays, but because of stuff we had going on and another litter I was already doing on Mondays, they just ended up on Mondays, and so really they are actually 7 weeks now. So getting ready to head to their homes. Ruby is the buff girl there who really wants to get down and play. We've had him out here playing. And then Rio is the Merle male who's already calmed down a little bit, ready to sit. He's been playing hard, so okay. Put him down and see if I can get him before they just run to me. Or run to you, huh? Ruby likes to play with leaves. There we go. Hey girl, hi. Hey. Hey Rio, come here buddy. Come on. You're too close, Ruby. You're too close. See if you can call her. Call Ruby.
Ruby. Good girl.
Try to snap your fingers or something. Kiss at her. She's just wanting to get my face. Hey, Rio. Come here, Rio. I thought with this small of a litter I could get by with not having them in a pen so you could see them better, but maybe it was a bad idea. Oh, you gotta leave. You gotta leave. And my shadow right in the middle, huh? Hi, buddy. You got a leaf in your hair. There's Rio. Hi. You got leaves all over you. Looky there. And Ruby, here girl, here. Hey, just a second, let me get you. What are you eating? Don't eat that. Don't eat that. Oh, you went by so fast I didn't even catch you. Come here. Come here. Okay, so this is a crazy video. I hope I'm not making you all dizzy and sick. Hi, Ruby. There you go. There you go. You know your name, don't ya? Hey, you guys call them and see if they'll come over to you and I can get a...
Ruby. Rio. Ruby.
She found something, didn't she? Oh, I am so sorry about this video. Okay, put him down. We'll try and get one more running back. Come here, Rio. Hey, don't touch him. Let him come when I call him. There he goes. Hi, Rio. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, Ruby. Oh, I really apologize for how crazy this video is going to look. And yes, our puppies come used to kids. Okay, let go of them and see if I can get them running back here one more time. Ruby, Rio, come here. Don't touch when I call. Don't touch when I call. Ruby, Rio. Come here, guys. Come here. You did the zigzag. Good puppies. Good puppies. Okay. Okay. All right. Maybe I should warn you to take motion sickness medicine before you start this, but... All right. These puppies will be joining you next week, guys.
I'm gonna hold this.
Okay. Bye-bye, puppies.